Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Back to chemistry class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed alcoholic functional group, and today we are going to study another very important functional group, which is ether functional group. Let's discuss ether functional group step by step and details. Ether functional group definition. The ether functional group is represented by single bond or single bond, where one oxygen atom is bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups. Any organic compound containing the single bond or single bond linkage between two carbon groups is called an ether. General formula of ethers. The general formula of ethers is or single bond O single bond R prime, where R and R prime are alkyl or aryl groups. O is oxygen atom forming ether linkage. If R and R prime are the same, it is a simple ether. If R and R prime are different, it is a mixed ether. Example of ethers: dimethyl ethers CH3 single bond O single bond CH3, diethyl ether C2H5 single bond O single bond C2H5, ethyl methyl ether C3 single bond O single bond C2H5. Nature of ether functional group. The single bond O single bond group is slightly polar. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Ethers do not form hydrogen bonding with themselves, less reactive than alcohols. Classification of ethers. First one is simple ethers when both alkyl groups are the same. Example CH3 single bond O single bond CH3. Dimethyl ethers. Second one, mixed ether when alkyl groups are different. Example CH3 single bond O single bond C2H5 ethyl methyl ether. Physical properties of ethers. First one, state: most ether are a colorless liquid. Second one, smell: have a pleasant sweet smell. Third one, boiling point: lower than alcohols, no hydrogen bonding. Fourth one, solubility: slightly soluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. Chemical properties of ethers. First one, combustion: ethers born in airs to form carbon dioxide in water. Example diethyl ethers C4H10O plus 6O2 gap 4CO2 plus 5H2O. Second one, reaction with acid: ethers react with concentrated acid to break the ether linkage. Example general R bond O bond R prime plus HX give R bond OH plus R prime X bond X. Third one, alert nature: ethers are chemically less reactive, which makes them good solvents. Difference between alcohols and ether. Property: alcohol ethers. First property, functional group: alcohol has OH functional group while ether is simple O. Hydrogen bonding in alcohol present while in ether absent. Boiling point of alcohol higher while boiling point of ether is lower. Reactivity: alcohol is more reactive, ether is less reactive. Uses of ethers. Ethers used as solvent in laboratories. Diethyl ether used as in aesthetic, used in perfume and medicines, used in organic synthesis. Important examination point. Ether functional group is O. Oxygen links two carbon groups, less reactive than alcohols, lower boiling point than alcohols. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on ether functional group. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.